All right, guys, we're going to take a look at the snap mount from Ulanzi. This is a 3-piece unit that comes with 3 different attachments, and this is designed to connect your smartphone or your action camera in a very efficient way that you're able to attach and reattach it to a number of different surfaces. So let's take a look at what we have in the box really quick here. So that's everything that's in the box. I think this will come in very handy for a number of different applications. It also comes with a traditional mounting screw that you would normally find associated with almost any action camera or any type of attachment that you'd use for an action camera. And here's the main event. This is the Ulanzi mounting system. And as you can see here, there's 3 pieces. These are magnetically connected. These magnets are very strong. One of these is designed to work with a mount or a mini tripod or something like that. The other one is perfect for attaching to your GoPro. This third one is for attaching your GoPro or whatever item you're going to be using together with the lanyard. So then you could wear it under your clothes, this piece here. And then you'd be able to just connect your camera and walk around and record video wherever you go. Let's throw a GoPro on here really quick. And as you can see, the teeth just go right in there. Easy mount. So if you wanted to connect this again to the lanyard piece, just that simple. Or let's say you have a mini tripod, and here's your little tripod. You could walk around with it, for your selfie videos, blogging. And when you want to attach it, boom, there you go. And you could extend that out and then take that off and easily reattach it to something else. Now remember, these are magnets, so that means that they will connect to anything that is magnetic, so any metal that you can connect these to, like to the side of a building, a pole, or anything like that. So this is a very, very powerful tool. But here's one other little feature. This makes a really cool little desktop tripod. So you can find this on Amazon. The links will be down in the bio. Hopefully this video, this simple unboxing has given you guys a little bit more insight exactly what comes in the box and some ideas of what you can do with it. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.